Ethereum cost really equivalent to $1,861.31 a coin in an especially huge manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,841.19 $1,888.47, or so they sort of thought. The earlier day close, $1,874.03 in a significant way. The change generally was 12.72, 0.68%, or so they explicitly thought. Opposite rate, USD to ETH, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $1847 in every practical sense, greatest 1976, least 1718. Ethereum figure on Monday, June 5, cost $1855, truly greatest 1985, certainly least 1725, which basically is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $1839, sort of greatest 1968, least 1710, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost $1918, exceptionally greatest 2052, especially least 1784, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. And multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $1920, genuinely most extreme 2054, beautiful least 1786, which sort of is very critical. Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 9, cost $1944, lovely greatest 2080, exceptionally least 1808, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $1951, essentially greatest 2088, sort of least 1814, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $1894, really most extreme 2027, by and large least 1761 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $1932, kind of most extreme 2067, exceptionally least 1797, which basically is very critical. In about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost $1945, in every practical sense, greatest 2081, truly least 1809 in an all things considered, significant way. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $1929, really greatest 2064, for the most part least 1794 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $1937, kind of most extreme 2073, least 1801. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $1950, truly most extreme 2087, kind of least 1814, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $1927, most certainly greatest 2062, truly least 1792, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $1925, lovely most extreme 2060, exceptionally least 1790 in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $1933, fundamentally greatest 2068, really least 1798, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $1951, sort of most extreme 2088, especially least 1814 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost $1955, kind of most extreme 2092, essentially least 1818 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $1942, really most extreme 2078, truly least 1806. In about a month Ethereum gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost $1956, sort of most extreme 2093, really least 1819, showing how Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost $1927, kind of greatest 2062, in every practical sense, least 1792, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost $1906, greatest 2039, in every practical sense, least 1773, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum gauge on Monday, July 3, cost $19.00, truly most extreme 2033, truly least 1767, which especially shows that the change explicitly was 12.72, 0.68% in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH conversion scale extremely equivalent to 0.5373 coins per $1,000 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S-reach 0.5295 minus 0.5431, or so they in a real sense thought. The past day, S nearby 0.5336, which sort of is very huge. Change for now plus 0.0037, plus 0.69% in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost 0.541 coins, especially most extreme 0.582, fundamentally least 0.506 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 0.539 coins, especially most extreme 0.580, kind of least 0.504. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.544 coins, sort of most extreme 0.585, least 0.508, which is very huge. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.521 coins, lovely most extreme 0.561, by and large least 0.487, or so they fundamentally thought. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum estimate on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.521 coins, kind of most extreme 0.560, fundamentally least 0.487, which explicitly is very huge. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 0.514 coins, for the most part greatest 0.553, truly least 0.481, which certainly shows that Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost $1942, truly most extreme 2078, kind of least 1806, or so they really thought. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 0.513 coins, extremely greatest 0.551, sort of least 0.479, showing how Ethereum figure on Friday, June 23, cost $1933, fundamentally most extreme 2068, kind of least 1798, which truly is very critical. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 0.528 coins, certainly most extreme 0.568, sort of least 0.493 in a by and large huge manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday, June 14, cost 0.518 coins, sort of greatest 0.556, most certainly least 0.484, which sort of is very huge. In about 14 days USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost 0.514 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.553, lovely least 0.481, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, June 16, cost 0.518 coins, truly most extreme 0.557, exceptionally least 0.484 in an especially huge way. USD to ETH expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 0.516 coins, extremely greatest 0.555, in every practical sense, least 0.482, which explicitly is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, June 20,